My name is Yonghan Lim. I'm a staff research scientist at DISC. In this short video, I will tell you about what it is like to be an MRI scan participant at DISC. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI for short, is an imaging device that uses strong magnetic field to create detailed images of the human body. If you never had an MRI scan before, you may have a couple of questions about being an MRI scan participant. MRI is safe and painless, and there are no known side effects of MRI examination if safe practices are followed. Before having an MRI scan, you will be asked to fill out safety screening form. This screening form will go over anything you have had implemented in your body. This is important because metal placed within a switching magnetic field can cause excessive heating and potentially tissue burn. These include joint replacement, metal screws, or pacemakers or cardiac defibrillators. Also, there are some other important conditions that require special consideration before going into the room, such as claustrophobia. You will be participating in research happening at this, so it is important that you understand the study that is to be performed. So we will give you a consent form that describes the study that you will be participating in, and you will have plenty of time to review it and to ask questions to one of the study investigators. Please note that the center is a research unit, not a clinical or diagnostic MRI center, and the MRI scanner operating at 0.55 Tesla is not approved for the clinical or diagnostic use by the US FDA. Therefore, the MRI that you are just about to undergo is not meant to provide clinical or diagnostic information. So after you fill out the screening and consent forms in your paperwork, you can change your clothing in a changing room and lock your personal items in a locker. After you are done changing, you will have metal screening using a metal detector before going into the MRI room. Because MRI machines have powerful magnet, it is important that you don't go into the room with any metal or magnet will attract or that can distort the MRI images. During the scan, you should not wear any clothes that contain metal, including those with zippers, metal buttons, or underwire. You should also remove any accessories that might affect the MRI imaging, such as a watch, jewelry, or etc. In the MRI room, you will be given earplugs or headphones to wear in order to protect your hearing from the loud noise coming from the scanner. The noise might not be pleasant, but it is normal and not dangerous, so should not worry you. Then you will lie down on a movable table that slides into the center of the MRI machine. Depending on the study performed, you will go into the MRI magnet, either head first or feet first, and an imaging device called coil will be placed around the part of your body that it will be imaged. Our researcher will give you a squeeze ball that you can press with your hand in case you want to communicate with us during the MRI scan. But no worries, during the scan, our researcher will be able to speak with you, hear you, and observe you all the time, and will make sure that you are comfortable. You will be told ahead of time how long your scan is expected to take. Most MRI scans will take 45 to 60 minutes to complete, depending on the body part being imaged and the step being performed. When the MRI scan is over, we will take you out of the machine. If you have any question about your participation at DISC, please ask us anytime, or you can write them down and bring them to us with you.